The world has just witnessed a breakthrough that feels like something straight out of science fiction. Tesla has unveiled its latest advancement in robotics, Optimus Gen 3, and this time, it's not just about smarter machines or faster automation. It's about robots building robots. At Tesla's Fremont factory, reports suggest that over 1,000 Optimus Gen 3 units are now actively working. And the most shocking part is that these humanoid robots are beginning to assist in assembling more of their own kind. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete transformation of how we think about manufacturing, labor, and the future of artificial intelligence. To understand how massive this development is, we need to go back to where it all started. Tesla first introduced the idea of a humanoid robot a few years ago, positioning it as a general-purpose assistant capable of handling repetitive, dangerous, or boring tasks. Early versions of Optimus were limited, walking slowly, picking up objects, and performing basic actions. But Tesla kept improving the system, integrating advanced AI, better sensors, and more efficient hardware. With each generation, the robot became more capable, more precise, and more human-like in its movements. Now with Gen 3, Tesla has taken a giant leap forward. These robots are no longer just tools, they are active participants in production. At the Fremont factory, Optimus robots are reportedly handling tasks such as assembling parts, transporting materials, inspecting components, and even collaborating with human workers in real time. What makes this version truly revolutionary is its ability to learn and adapt. Using advanced neural networks and real-world training data, Optimus Gen 3 can improve its performance over time without needing constant reprogramming. One of the most fascinating aspects of this development is the concept of robots building robots. Traditionally, manufacturing robots required human engineers and technicians to design, assemble, and maintain them. But Tesla's new approach changes that dynamic. By deploying Optimus units on the factory floor, Tesla is creating a feedback loop where robots assist in the production of additional robots. This could significantly accelerate manufacturing speed while reducing costs and human labor requirements. Imagine a production line where machines not only perform tasks, but also replicate themselves. This is the beginning of scalable automation on a level we've never seen before. If each robot can help build more robots, the growth becomes exponential. Today it's 1,000 units. Tomorrow it could be 10,000 or even 100,000. This kind of expansion could reshape industries across the globe. At Fremont, the integration of Optimus Gen 3 appears to be carefully designed. The robots are not replacing humans entirely, but are working alongside them. Human workers still oversee operations, handle complex decision-making, and ensure quality control. Meanwhile, Optimus robots take care of repetitive and physically demanding tasks. This collaboration creates a hybrid workforce where humans and machines complement each other's strengths. Another key feature of Optimus Gen 3 is its improved dexterity. Earlier versions struggled with delicate tasks, but the latest model can handle small components with precision. This is crucial for manufacturing environments where accuracy is everything. Whether it's assembling intricate parts or performing detailed inspections, Optimus is now capable of operating at a level that rivals human workers in certain areas. The AI system powering these robots is also a major upgrade. Tesla has leveraged its experience in autonomous driving to enhance the robot's perception and decision-making abilities. Cameras, sensors, and neural networks allow Optimus to understand its surroundings, avoid obstacles, and interact with objects in a natural way. This means the robot can function in dynamic environments without needing perfectly structured conditions. Energy efficiency is another area where Tesla has made significant progress. Optimus Gen 3 is designed to operate for longer periods without needing frequent recharging. This makes it more practical for continuous use in factories, where downtime can be costly. By optimizing battery performance and power consumption, Tesla ensures that these robots can work extended shifts without interruptions. The implications of this technology go far beyond Tesla's factories. If robots can build other robots, the cost of automation could drop dramatically. This could make advanced robotics accessible to smaller companies, not just large corporations. Industries such as construction, healthcare, logistics, and agriculture could all benefit from affordable, scalable robotic solutions. However, this innovation also raises important questions. What happens to human jobs when robots can perform most tasks more efficiently? Will automation create new opportunities, or will it lead to widespread unemployment? Tesla's approach suggests a balance, where robots handle repetitive work while humans focus on creative and strategic roles. But the long-term impact remains uncertain. There are also ethical considerations to think about. As robots become more autonomous, ensuring their safe and responsible use becomes critical. Tesla will need to implement strict guidelines and safeguards to prevent misuse or unintended consequences. Transparency and accountability will play a key role in building public trust in this technology. Despite these concerns, the excitement surrounding Optimus Gen 3 is undeniable. The idea of robots building robots represents a turning point in human history. It signals the beginning of a new era where machines are not just tools, but active contributors to innovation and progress. Looking ahead, Tesla's vision doesn't stop at manufacturing. The company aims to deploy Optimus robots in everyday environments, from homes to offices. Imagine a future where a humanoid robot helps with household chores, assists the elderly, or even supports education. The possibilities are endless, and Gen 3 is a major step toward making that vision a reality. At Fremont, the presence of 1,000 robots is just the beginning. As Tesla continues to refine the technology, we can expect even more advanced versions of Optimus in the coming years. Each generation will bring new capabilities, improved performance, and greater integration into our daily lives. This development also highlights Tesla's unique approach to innovation. Unlike traditional companies, Tesla is willing to take bold risks and push the boundaries of what's possible. By combining AI, robotics, and manufacturing expertise, the company is creating solutions that could redefine entire industries. The global impact of this breakthrough cannot be overstated. Countries around the world are investing in automation and artificial intelligence, but Tesla's progress sets a new benchmark. If successful, Optimus Gen 3 could give Tesla a significant advantage in the race for technological dominance. The arrival of Tesla Optimus Gen 3 and the deployment of 1,000 robots at Fremont mark a historic moment. The ability of robots to assist in building more robots is a game-changing innovation that could transform manufacturing and beyond. While challenges and uncertainties remain, one thing is clear: the future of robotics is here, and it's evolving faster than ever. As we watch this story unfold, one question stands out. How far can this technology go? If today's robots can build more robots, what will tomorrow's machines be capable of? The answer may redefine what it means to be human in a world increasingly shaped by intelligent machines.